In this video, I'll show you how to download older versions of Kdenlive. Now, Kdenlive is a free and open source video editor available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now, probably two reasons why you may need to download an older version of Kdenlive is one, probably a newer version of Kdenlive is buggier and you had a project you were working on and you don't want to kind of work through a buggy process. Number two, your system requirements probably don't meet newer versions or the requirements for newer versions of Kdenlive. Now, to download an older version, I'm in the homepage, kdenlive.org, and I'll leave it in the description below for you to see. All I need to do is just click on downloads. And once you click on downloads, you're going to come to the download page. Download the latest version, and it's available for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. But you're not going to download the latest version. You're going to scroll down slightly. And once you come here, you'll see the option for previous versions. You may download older versions of Kdenlive in case you have compatibility issues with old projects. As I mentioned, you click on archive. And I'm also going to leave this in the description below. And from here, you can see all the versions of Kdenlive as from 2012 all the way to 2025. Right about here is the latest version. More or less, not the latest, but a version of this year that was more or less a stable release and all that. So let's say you wanted to go back to 2024, you can click on this. It brings you to this window you get for Linux, Mac OS, Windows. Click on that, and then you can see the different options here as from this particular one. And as you can see, it's 24.12.0, but then they keep going incrementally with 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So you can decide to go maybe with this one was way better. And if you're satisfied, you can just click on it right here and it's going to begin downloading automatically. And that is how you can download older versions of Kdenlive if you're having compatibility issues on Kdenlive. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.